In this video, I will show you how to build a napkin holder, whether you are hosting a dinner party or just looking to add some color to your table. It only takes 5 minutes to build this. Here is the list of bricks you will need. If you don't have enough 2x2 bricks, no worries, you can easily create your own by combining smaller bricks just like these. Let's build. You will need to build at least 8 layers of bricks to give enough room for napkins to sit securely. I'm stacking the bricks here to create this cute little pattern. Here I'm using 4 colors: white, blue, pink and purple, but you can use any other colors you prefer to match your dining room. To complete the edges, I'm adding white flat tiles for a nice polished finish. I've just finished one side and now it's time to build the other. Since it will be identical, I'll speed things up a bit here. Oh no! I just noticed I missed a pink piece in my pattern. Well, I guess it's exclusive limited edition now. Who needs perfection, right? And here it is, complete. All I need is my napkins to go in here. I can barely see my mistake. I wonder if anyone else will notice it. It's time to cook some dinner. Thanks for watching.